My name is Renee. My family has been manufacturing ProGreen synthetic turf in my home state of Georgia for nearly a decade. I am so happy that we have been able to keep ProGreen 100% American, so your dollars go towards American jobs and investment. I love this new generation of turf. No maintenance, no water, no insects, and so soft for my kids and dogs. My one complaint is how hot turf got in the warmer months. And that's when I tried the new organic ProGreen Cool turf. Wow! Cool turf has organic cork and coconut infill. These elements release moisture slowly, keeping my turf as cool as natural grass. The patent-pending American technology is amazing. The turf offers a fully drainable bag without punched holes. When my friends and family visit, they are shocked at how natural the organic turf looks and how cool it stays. No one wears shoes on my turf.
My friends and I love this turf because it never gets hot and there's no bugs. I'm Isabel and I approve this message.